Packed them as she starts another day. Carefully she makes her way beside the mountain stream as she sings an island chant of long ago. Sweet lady of Waiahole, she's sitting by the highway, selling her papaya and her green and ripe banana. Walking down the damp and rocky road, her humble wagon stops. She watches the sun peek through the valley sky. Carefully she wipes the sweat up from her brow and continues on as she journeys through the highway rising sun. Sweet lady of Waiahole, she's sitting by the highway, selling her papaya and her green and ripe banana. Later in the evening, she would gather all her island fruits and pack them as she ends another day. Carefully she makes her way beside the mountain stream as she sings an island chant of long ago. Sweet lady of Waiahole, by the highway, selling her papaya and her green and ripe banana, and her green and ripe banana, and her green and ripe banana. Sweet lady,